What if what you feel shapes someone else's reality? What if your thoughts weren't private, but linked to everything? Welcome to Quantum Life, where science meets possibility. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious, fascinating, and life-changing discoveries in modern science: quantum entanglement. The mystery that changes everything. Einstein once called it spooky action at a distance. Now it's proven, and its implications are massive, not just for physics, but for you, your relationships, and how you create your life. By the end of this video, you'll learn what quantum entanglement really is, simply explained, how experiments shattered everything we thought we knew about reality, what this means for your relationships, emotions, and consciousness, and how to use these insights to change your life. Quantum entanglement. The basics made simple. Let's simplify it. Imagine two coins side by side, spinning together. Now, separate them by 1,000,000 miles. Flip one coin, and instantly the other knows and matches it. No delay. No signal. No explanation. This isn't science fiction, it's quantum entanglement. In the quantum rules, Kunal Das explains that particles don't exist as solid things, but as waves of probabilities. Until they're measured, particles live in a state of possibility. When two particles become entangled, their possibilities merge. What happens to one instantly defines the other. In other words, what happens to one affects the other, instantly. This means separation is an illusion at the deepest level of reality. The experiments that proved it, for decades, scientists didn't believe it. Then came Alain Aspect's 1982 experiments in France. He entangled two photons, particles of light, and sent them in opposite directions. When he changed the spin of one photon, the other flipped instantly, even though they were far apart. This wasn't a glitch. It was proof that entangled particles are connected beyond space and time. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. In Becoming Supernatural, Dr. Joe Dispenza talks about how this applies to human beings. Your body emits an electromagnetic field. Your thoughts, emotions, and intentions send out information into this field. And because everything is connected, what you broadcast can influence reality around you. This defied Einstein's theory of relativity, which says nothing can travel faster than light. And yet, entangled particles don't care about distance. As physicist David Bohm suggested in Wholeness and the Implicate Order, at the quantum level there is no true separation. What appears divided is actually part of a deeper, unified reality. What this means for you: life applications. This isn't just about physics. This is about your life. Here's how entanglement shows up every day. 1. Emotional and AMP, relationship connections. Have you ever thought about someone you love, and they text you moments later? Or felt someone's mood shift without a word being spoken? Quantum entanglement offers one possible explanation. Once two systems interact deeply, they remain connected beyond space and time. Couples, families, even close friends might share entangled energy patterns. This is why you sometimes just know when someone far away is thinking of you. 2. Healing beyond distance. In Becoming Supernatural, Dr. Joe Dispenza describes studies where people focused healing intentions on participants miles away. Results? The receiver's heart rhythms, immune responses, and brainwaves changed, even without knowing they were being sent anything. If entanglement connects particles, why not people? Your state of being, your thoughts, emotions, energy, may directly influence the field around you. 3. Collective consciousness. Think back to global events, moments when millions felt the same emotion. It's as if our minds sync in ways we don't yet understand. Mel Schwartz in The Possibility Principle writes, "We exist within a web of relationships. Our actions ripple outward, shaping the possibilities of others. Entanglement suggests that your inner world affects our shared outer world." 4. Rewriting your reality. Bruce Lipton, in The Biology of Belief, shows how your thoughts influence your biology. Lipton explains that our thoughts are not private, they are literally broadcast into the environment. Using advanced technologies like the squid magnetometer, superconducting quantum interference device, scientists can measure the electromagnetic fields generated by the brain and heart from several feet away. This means every thought, feeling, and intention you have produces a real, measurable signal that radiates beyond your body, influencing the energy field around you. Lipton suggests that we are like human broadcasting stations, constantly sending information into the quantum field, and in turn receiving it from others. This aligns with the idea of quantum entanglement. We are all connected through invisible threads of energy, and our inner world directly impacts the outer world. Your beliefs affect the expression of your genes, shaping your health and experiences. Combine this with entanglement, and you get something profound. When you change your inner state, you may influence the quantum field itself, attracting new possibilities into your life. This is why meditation, visualization, and intention setting, as taught by Dr. Joe Dispenza, are so powerful. 4. Consciousness and the quantum field. This leads to a deeper question. If everything is connected, what about consciousness itself? Anil Seth and being you. You calls consciousness a controlled hallucination, yet experiments suggest it may be non-local, meaning your mind is not limited to your brain. As John Gribben explains in Search of Schrödinger's Cat, the observer plays an active role in shaping reality. Measurement doesn't just reveal, it creates. In other words, you are not just in the universe. The universe is also in you. You are the connection. Quantum entanglement isn't just physics. It's a reminder. You are not separate. You are part of a vast, interconnected field of life, energy, and possibility. Your thoughts ripple. Your emotions radiate. Your choices shape the field we all share. So choose consciously. Because when you change, the world changes. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe to Quantum Life, and turn on notifications. Because in the next video, we'll dive into how to consciously use these principles to manifest change in your life.